Hi there. Today I wanted to show you one of my favorite hacks for creating a beautiful page border for my printable and digital products in Canva. This can be a very easy thing to do, and you can do this whether you have the free version of Canva or the Pro. Either way, you will be able to do this. So let's go ahead and get started. I've opened up a design here that's blank in an 8.5 by 11 inch size. I'm going to add a page down here because I'm going to just show you a couple different ways you could do this. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go over here and click on Elements, and then I'm going to come down and I'm going to add a grid to my page, just like that. And then I'm going to go up here and I'm going to show you something really cool. So you can grab a photo, and I'm just going to grab one from my recently used folder just to make this easy, but you can put whatever photo you want. I'm going to drag this over, and there's my background that I want for my page, and you can see it goes all the way to the edge. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over here to Elements. I'm going to go to Shapes, and I am going to click on the square. You could type in here if you want to. That's not what I want to do today. And I'm just going to expand this out to the margin, which you can see here on the dotted line, just like that. I'm going to change the color, and I'm just going to make it white. Okay, and I'm going to lock it in place so it doesn't move. So now I can go here, and I've got this beautiful border, and I have my white square in the middle where I can add elements or text. Anything else that I want would be in the middle here. If you want to change your background, if you don't like it, just simply click on it like you would anything else. Go up here to, let's see, I'm going to go to right click and detach image. Okay. And now I'm just going to delete the image. And then you could simply come back out. You can pick a different photo if you want and drag it over. So let me show you what that would look like. And the secret to the grid is it has to be a photo or it won't recognize it and put it in there. So let's just grab something, doesn't matter, and bring it in, and there it is. I've got a nice border here. Now I can do this another way. If I come down here, let's say you don't want to use a photo. You don't have to. So what we can do is start here. You can click on this and it'll put a background color. So let's say you want a solid color, or you want to use one of these cool gradients. Just click on it, and then the same thing, you could come back here and to Shapes, grab this, bring it over, and then I'm just simply going to drag it and line it up with my margins. And I like for this to be white. And then we can do the same thing. I can lock that so it doesn't move. And then if I decide I don't like this, all I have to do is simply click on the outside, click here on background color, and I can go back and change that. Another way you could do this, instead of having a solid color, I'm going to take that back to white, is you could go here to Elements, excuse me, go here to Background, and then what you could do is choose whatever background you want. So you could come through here, and let's say you want to put in a pattern. Let's go see all, and let's say you want to use let's just pick something for demonstration. I don't know. How about just one of these, just to show you. And I click it, And there it is, and it comes in right underneath our white box. And you can again add elements on top of there. If you want to make it less bold, you can change the transparency of it. And if it's a photo, you can do cool things up here. You can go to Edit Photo. And there's all these really cool things. You can change the filter, you can put effects on it. So let me just show you what that looks like. So if I click on the filters, I can go down, you can see all these different ways you could change this to sort of change the look of it. All right, I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and have fun creating your page borders.